Yo, what is going on YouTube? This video today is going to be showing you how to get Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight for free. And you can get this game on Xbox, PC or Steam, PlayStation 5 and Nintendo Switch. And I'm going to show you how to get it for free. This is actually going to get you a digital game code that you can redeem in whatever platform you choose to play on, and it is going to get you Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight for free. And it only takes a few minutes, and this is a pretty expensive game. Let's just check the price. It's pretty expensive, I believe. Yeah, it costs around 50 to 60 US dollars, and I'm going to show you how to get it for free. So before I show you this method, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let's get into the tutorial and show you how to get to Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight for free. So you've got to use your mobile phone internet browser just to obtain your digital game code, and then you can redeem it on whatever platform you choose to play on. So go to www.crashcoupons.com. So type it like this, Crash Coupons, and it's going to bring you to this game code website. And as you can see, they actually have hundreds of different game codes on here. So I do recommend just searching for the Lego Batman game using the search bar. So if you just type it in, Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight, free game. So tap on that, and as you can see, this is going to get Lego Batman for free, and this is a digital game code for all platforms. So it doesn't matter which platform you choose to play on, you literally grab this code and redeem it. So for example, in the Microsoft Store if you play on Xbox, or the eShop if you play on Nintendo Switch. And because these are limited codes, there's 500 free game codes, you need to unlock your personal code for Lego Batman. So click on Get Full Code, and it's going to bring you to this page here that basically just tells you what you need to do. Really easy, guys. It takes about 5 minutes. You need to complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Crash Coupons, and follow the instructions below each. So as you can see, there is a list of tasks on this page. They are all completely free. And they're simple things like installing and opening mobile applications, playing games, answering surveys, stuff like that, guys. Really easy. Just make sure you do follow the instructions below each one. So complete 2 of them, and it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Lego Batman code will be revealed. So the full code will be shown here, and you can redeem it in whatever platform, Xbox, PlayStation, PC, Steam, Nintendo Switch. And that is how to get Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight for free. Go to Crash Coupons, and like I said, just use the search bar and search for Lego Batman. And it's pretty easy to find. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.